Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are creating the clamp modeling in the solid edge. This part, actually, this part is simple one, but how to create the creating way is also important. For that, we are creating this part from the right side of the sketch within 1 or 2 steps. This part is totally completed. So we are starting the creating this part. Let's take a extrude command. Select right side plane, sketch, and start sketch. Select line, command, and draw a sketch. First of all, draw a simple outside structure sketch only, and after that, think about to give the dimension. This outer side shape. See here, all this outer side shape we are created. Thing is remaining to give the dimension to this part. See, this is 10 mm distance. Give 10 mm. Then this is 29 from here to here. Here is 29, and this distance is 18. This distance is 18 here. So this is 18. Sorry, this is some mistake. This is 18. We can move this sketch here like that by select, click on, hold on, drag it, and this one is 14 slot. So we have the 14 dimension here. This is 14. Total distance from start to end is 47. That's why we have 47. This is 47, and this is also this line to distance line is distance is 10. So here 10, enter. Then this height is 25. This height is 25. That's why I give the dimension 25. And this height is this total height is 64 from the bottom to the top. So give the height of the sketch. 64. 64. So here guys, the sketch is completed and the sketch is fully constrained because of all dimension is okay with the reference of these planes. Then we closing this sketch by close sketch, and see here it is extruded or simply extended on the one side of the plane, but this part is a symmetric part. That's why we want to extend it on the both side. For that, select this option, symmetric extend. Click on it. Right now, see here it is extended on both sides. The extension value is here. See, 40 mm. Give 40 mm distance and simply say enter. and click on anywhere to finish it and simply say finish. See, this part is right now completed, but the another thing or feature is remaining is that this hole, how to create this hole from the on this face by simply take command hole. We can choose by hole, otherwise cut out. Right now I prefer to give the hole here. Select command, select a face to create hole. So show the planes for the references at the center. Hole is created. Select sketch, draw a sketch simply, and give the dimension. The dimension is 34 mm above from this line. So for this line we are just rotating this part, and here selecting this line and simply this center of the hole, and this here, this is how many, 34.6 is, but in actual this is 34. So enter 34, say enter, okay. It is come out from the dimension command, and simply come out from the sketch also, close sketch, but we do not specify the dimension of the hole. The hole is 26 mm, that's why I give the 26 diameter, and here is say okay because of this simple hole, and give the extension. We can choose this option, this through all option, and through next option also, but this option also, but simple option is here, through next. That's why we have chosen through next, and giving the direction of extension in the this side, and click here on that side. Simply finish this command and come out from this command, finish it, and say cancel. See here guys, our clamp part is totally created. No any other feature is still remaining. If you like this part modeling session, then you can see the more video on my channel, cat trainer channel, and the next videos we are looking the another parts, how to create 3D models in these parts. Okay guys, bye. We will see on next videos.